How to add a payment method on Shopify. The first thing you want to do is to go to Settings down on the left corner. And then you want to click Payments. And from here you want to add payment methods. And here you can search by payment methods or by provider. So let's just search for Skrill. And then you want to click Activate. And of course you will need to have an account with Skrill or any other provider you want to use on your Shopify store. And if you don't have an account, you can just click the link inside here and you will be taken to the page that you can sign up for. So for instance, in Skrill you need to sign up, and then you want to type your merchant email and your secret word. And when that is done, you can click Activate Skrill. So this is how you add a payment method on Shopify. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.